A hidden kill switch helps prevent car theft by cutting power to the engine until the switch is turned on. Luckily, here are some methods to install a hidden kill switch in your car. Firstly, put your fingers onto the fuse box, then turn on the key to run position. The relay should click on. You will hear the fuel pump run for a couple of seconds, and then it will click off, because the fuel pump is primed. Then just press the tap and disconnect the wiring harness. Then set the multimeter to DC voltage, turn the key to on, and probe wires under the fuse box. Find one that shows 12V when on, and 0V when off. This indicates an ignition-controlled wire. Then remove negative cable from the battery. This will prevent anything from shorting out fuses. Then cut the selected wire, strip ½ inch of insulation, and connect both ends to the kill switch terminals. Then remove the center console from your car, and unscrew the 2 screws holding in the shifter boot. Then make a hole in it with the help of drill machine and fix the switch in it. Then install it back in your car, and you will easily install a hidden kill switch in your car by using this process. Find the fuse box, which is often fixed under the hood, near the battery or firewall. Then remove the fuse box apart to get the wire which runs in its underneath. Then cut the identified wire using wire cutters, and connect one female and one male connector on each side. Then add a new wiring and connectors according to your car model. Then remove the rubber cover and make a hole in it with the help of drill machine. Then pass the wire from this hole and fix the rubber cover again. Then fix the hidden kill in your car's center console. So hidden kill switch adds extra protection against car theft by interrupting a circuit and concealing the switch and wiring.